Today, we found this forgotten Scania deep in the wilderness.
This Scania 143H V8 has been abandoned here for over a decade. The mechanical and structural damage.
Extraction is the most dangerous step. Okay, let's make sure these cables are securely fastened before we attempt to move this beast. Safety first.
Extracting the Scania 143H V8 is a delicate balance of precision and risk. Each inch, a battle against decay.
One wrong move can destroy it.
Transporting a truck of this size, especially one that's been abandoned for so long, requires careful planning and precision.
Now, the real work begins. So this whole panel here is just completely shot, and we're going to have to replace the entire thing.
Here she is, the legendary Scania 143H V8, finally rolling into our workshop. Now, with the Scania 143H safely in the workshop, the real work can begin. This careful placement is crucial.
This is where we bring it back to life.
So this is where we begin. This Scania 143H V8 has seen better days, years of neglect, but we're going to bring it back.
Today we're starting the careful disassembly of these old wheels, checking every part.
The first step in any restoration this big is a thorough engine assessment. This Scania 143H V8 hasn't run in years.
V8 is out. Look at the state of these mounts, completely shot. This is where the real work begins.
This transmission has seen better days. Years of neglect have taken their toll. We'll get it cleaned up and see what we're working with.
All right, we've got the interior completely stripped out of the Scania 143H. As you can see, decades of wear and neglect are pretty evident.
This old harness has seen better days, but every wire tells a story. We're carefully tagging each one to bring this beast back to life. Okay, we're carefully lowering the fuel tank now. You can see the rust and corrosion. This old tank has definitely seen better days.
All right, let's get this cab off carefully. The corrosion on these mounting points is pretty extensive.
Everything must be rebuilt. AFGs.
Alex Carter VO. Removing all rust is crucial. It ensures structural integrity before we begin the actual restoration.
Everything must be rebuilt.
We're meticulously sandblasting the Scania 143H V8's frame, removing every trace of rust and corrosion.
Today, we're reinforcing the chassis, welding cracks, and adding new plates for strength.
The primer creates a perfect bond for the top coat, and it's essential for long-term corrosion protection. The Scania 143H V8 engine is fully disassembled on a large workshop table. Each part is labeled according to its function.
The pistons, crankshaft, and related components are now cleaned, free of grime, rust, and old oil residue.
With the Scania 143H V8 engine fully reassembled, every component, from pistons to cylinder heads, is perfectly fitted and lubricated.
With the transmission fully rebuilt, every gear, shaft, and bearing has been meticulously cleaned, inspected, and relubricated.
The suspension components are fully restored, ensuring structural integrity and readiness for reassembly. The Scania's brake system is now fully replaced, ensuring safety and precision on the road.
Ensuring the axles are perfectly aligned is crucial for both safety and performance.
We've methodically repaired and smoothed all damaged metal areas, ensuring structural integrity for the final paint application. The Scania 143H V8 now has a brand new wiring system installed throughout the chassis and cab.
The cab is fully stripped, repaired, and reinforced. Every trace of old paint and rust is gone.
Alex Carter VO. The interior structure and foam are fully rebuilt, ensuring comfort, safety, and authenticity.
The Scania cab is now fully prepped and ready for its first coats of primer, and then the final color.
Applying the primer coat is crucial. It protects the metal and ensures the final paint adheres perfectly for a lasting finish.
Choosing this deep black gives the Scania a completely new, powerful presence. It's more than just a color change.
Wow, look at that shine. The gloss on this black paint is just incredible. Every panel is perfect.
Just look at that shine. Every contour, every panel, gleaming. That's the result of hours of polishing,
With the cab now securely mounted, every bolt tightened and every panel aligned, the structural integrity of this Scania is fully restored.
With the engine securely in place, we're now connecting all the essential wiring and hoses to ensure everything is perfectly integrated for testing.
The Scania 143H V8's interior is now fully installed, combining modern functionality with classic truck aesthetics.
V8 rumble, the heart of this Scania 143H, beating strong after the restoration. Pure power.
Reliable lighting is paramount for safety and authenticity in any restoration. Each light functions perfectly.
Look at the difference. On the left, rusty and faded. On the right, gleaming black, perfectly restored. And there she is, the Scania 143H V8, fully restored and ready for her first testament to dedication, transforming this abandoned beast into a road-ready titan, every detail meticulously restored.